Hello and welcome to my new video. In this video I will talk about how to add ERC-20 tokens into your wallet. By default I will now open Ledger Live, an official wallet from Ledger company. The safest way to keep your crypto secured is to use a hardware wallet. Okay, now you can see here is list of tokens. Some of them are fully supported, but some of them are just listed and you can not to send these tokens. You probably heard about MetaMask. This is a wallet based on the Ethereum, and you can work with smart contracts and fully supported all tokens. Okay, to be visible tokens here inside MetaMask wallet, you need to add them. Okay, before that you can visit Etherscan.io and you can enter here, for example, your address, and then you will see all tokens are on your address. No matter if they are visible or not inside MetaMask, here you will see list. Okay, now you can just enter, for example, Harvest Finance, and you enter price in Google and you will be redirected to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, for example. Now, if you want to add tokens, you have two options. First one is to copy smart contract address to MetaMask. Okay, import tokens. You can custom token and enter here. And you can see I have some balance, and now I can go to import tokens. But you can see icon is not original, and I will use different method. Okay, back. Token will not be in list yet, but you can see here, add to MetaMask, this fox icon. Just click this fox icon. And you can see an original icon, and just confirm with add token, and you can now see the second one is on CoinGecko site. This iFarm, the second token, just to add to MetaMask. You can see iFarm, add token, and now you can see two new tokens I just added to my MetaMask wallet. And that is it. Hope this is useful video for you. Thank you for watching. Bye.